guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be working on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's get started on this front bumper. I know you're thinking to yourself, man, that bumper is really messed up. How's it going to show me? Well, I'm going to show you the best I can. Basically, the car sustained a front accident, so it kind of ripped off the bumper already, messed up the fog lights, and also the sides already falling off. But in any regards, I can show you guys the simple way of taking it off, because all the bumpers are pretty much the same way that you take it off. You start off on the side, just little bolts there. On the top there's clips, and on the bottom there's going to be clips also and bolts, but that's about it. And then when you pull it off, you're going to make sure that you don't pull it off too fast, because this one does have a fog light, even though it's broken and it's off already. On your vehicle it might still be on there, so you don't want to pull it off too fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on the, well, let's start off opening the hood. Alright, should stay up like that. And then we're going to work on the sides first, and then on the bottom. Alright, so this one right here, there's going to be like bolts or clips that goes on the side of the bumper right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then right here there's going to be a bolt. It's going to be like a 10 millimeter. So first take off this bolt right here. Well, it already came off, but I'm just going to show you guys, if it wasn't on, how to take it off. So it looks like that. Oops. So let me show you guys. Like right here, there's gonna be some bolts or push pins that you gotta take off. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 of them. And it's held on, that's holding on the fender liner, which she doesn't have. So that's just one thing that you guys have to take off, okay? So do that in the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now you guys have the sides taken off already. You're gonna go work your way to the bottom now. So this one still has the fog light on, so that's what I'm talking about. Don't pull off that bumper without kind of taking it off slowly, because you're gonna pull that wire off of that fog light. But down here, so you guys, down on the bottom, there's gonna be some screws. I feel like right here, there's gonna be 1, 2, 3. So it just goes all the way to the bottom of the bumper, and it ends up to the back right there. All right, so again, just on the bottom of the bumper, just work your way around to the bottom all the way through, and you'll see, like, I think like 6 or 8 screws that I saw. So once you take those off, then you can work to the top. So this vehicle, at least it has some pieces intact. These are push pins I'm talking about that you gotta take off. It goes all the way through. So you got a couple of them. So let me just show you guys how to take that off. All right, little distraction there, but let's go ahead and finish up right here. So continue along. Some of these are not the right ones. That's why. Alright, so now you can go ahead and move that around. Let's put this down here. So let's see what's going on here. could. Okay. So just leave that behind. There's nothing else. Once you take this off, that's it. Alright guys, so once you guys take off the bolts on the side, the clips or bolts on the bottom, and then these push pins on top. Now slowly go to one side and pull, and you hear unclip right there, and then go to the other side. Same thing, you should hear unclip, and then to the top, go ahead and hold this part right here, and then pull out, but slowly, okay? So now, that's as much as you go out. Go to the back and unclip your fog lights. There you go. So once you unclip both fog lights, we're missing one right here. You can go ahead and remove it. Like that. Alright guys, if you guys are wondering how I unclip that fog light, so basically right here is a clip, and you push down on the bottom, unclip itself, and it looks like that. So on the bottom, all you're doing is pushing down on this thing. Okay, so it should unclip itself. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. And also comment down below, let me know what vehicle you guys want me to disconnect, the fender, the bumper, the hood, whatever it is. I'll try to find that car and try to disconnect it for you guys, so you guys don't have to do the work and break stuff. Let me break the stuff for you. Alright, thank you guys.